How many more days could I wait?
What's up?
And I won't let them fall through. I think I lied for you.
So, excuse how I look. I don't know what the fuck all this white shit is on my nose. They ain't even tell me. Like I was doing some smack. The fuck? Don't do her. I don't know. Dry skin. I don't know. But Coco's having puppies on, what's today? Wednesday? Tuesday the 20th.
She started at 2
She started at 2 something in the morning, and here we are. Looking crusty, busted, and all that. What y'all go up? Y'all see what's going on. We're getting ready to go over there and show you. We're getting ready to go over there and show y'all. Y'all see, babe?
I should have never got the chocolate chip shit.
It's fucking it up.
Yeah. That chocolate chip.
But you could drink some of mine.
Everything's in my hand.
Oh, yeah. This is a captain. Y'all can't get into the colors. But sorry if it's windy. What's in there? Y'all know these was real from real wars and stuff, right?
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass, soon as you came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip and now she leaving super low. She my track queen, let her hit the window. We be counting up, watch our bottom bands go. We just set it go, talking about your Lambos. 50, 60 grand, brother.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. You gotta feed him at the pond though. That's the safe spot.
Okay. Thank you. The pond must be right there. He's curious. Oh, baby. Hey, buddy. I see.
We got up close and personal on the trio. It's Roots. This is a huge trio. Look. And she snapped. She snapped. Oh yeah, she snapped. She snapped. Look at this, y'all. Right. Like somebody might have been sleeping inside the tree. Protected. Energy protected. Energy protected. was hugging the tree, y'all. It's perfect. Come out here for a picnic somewhere. There's benches. Look at that tree over there.
One right there.
There's a bridge over there. Y'all see what's going on. Literally, just riding through a neighborhood.
We're gonna show y'all how long this driveway is to our car. When we get there, we're gonna be like, they over there rolling in the grass.
Little community. Alright, y'all, this is the start of the driveway. Y'all see the goose, the ducks. Sorry, the window dirty right there at the bottom. This is the start of the driveway, neighbor's yard.
If you're watching, then you know, y'all. If you know, then you know.
Yep, still going up the driveway. Still going up the driveway.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around.
No squirrels.
We got
just birds.
pie crust. Yeah. Stay tuned, keeping up with the Griffins.
What is it? Made with chili pepper, strong instant.
If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting.
Just, I'm minding that beauty right there. Ain't that's a gorgeous sight? Beautiful sight, ain't it? I know that wind is so powerful though.
Hey, it's okay.
She's so beautiful.
It got block things, rubber things on the bottom. I see it making it rock back and forth.
I know what we do.
See the sunset? That's what we need when we bring our camera.
No, babe, grab it. As long as you got something out.
Ducks is cool. Look. Y'all see how close I am to the water. The water right here. I'm just sitting on the little deck. Oh, see, there's some right there. See right there. We feeding the birds, y'all. The ducks. It was right here. As y'all can see, I was feeding them all right here. Seeds right there. See all the duckies going to sea. See, they all going to sea. He right there. And these two right here with me. That's her baby. She just following them everywhere. Huh? I know I got them on video coming all down there to you. Look, y'all, some right here.
What's up? What's up?
What's up, Martin? What y'all doing? We ain't doing nothing. Closed. Cuddy. Thank you. Oh. We ain't doing nothing though, y'all. We ain't doing nothing. We hungry, so we getting something to eat. We really didn't know what we wanted to eat, so we probably getting ready to get multiple things. If y'all know, y'all know. Y'all know we never can make our mind up, and we always getting more than one thing. He might wear black for a year straight. He might bring back Versace shades. But yeah, waiting for our food to get done. It'll be about 15 minutes, she said.
Sorry about running out.
No.
Sorry about running out.
No.
Medical equipment.
Do. Okay.
Yeah? Okay? Okay, 15, 20 minutes, okay? Thank you, Pat. Okay, see you, bye-bye. Bye. What kind of rice do you need? Thai or white? Bye-bye.
White rice.
White? Okay, he get a 5, you get a white. Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, y'all see we not doing nothing. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. If you're new to our channel, you're welcome to join our family. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bells.
And leave your comments down.
And if you're a returning subscriber, what it is,
What's up?
can just keep in touch. What's up, Bill? Chill, you know. Chill. We got to get the food somewhere. Hallelujah.
Balloons are deflated. Guess they look lifeless like me. We miss you on your side of the bed. Still got your things here. They stare
Lighting is so dull in here, y'all, but it's okay.
One of these. Y'all ready?
We is. The lighting is so bad, it's lost focus.
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass, soon as you came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip and now she remixing for low. She my try queen, let her hit the window. We be coming up, watch out for the fans go. We just set a goal, talking like some Lambos. 56 a gram, 500 grams though. Man, I swear I love the how she with the Lambo. If we strip club, we be letting the fans go. Everybody hate you, we just call the fans though. And love with the money, I ain't never letting go. And like it hot, baby, baby. I just love the mall, I'm getting flop, baby, yeah. And like it rock, baby, baby. I be in the kitchen cooking pop, baby, yeah. And like it rock, baby. I just love the mall, I'm getting flop, baby, yeah. And like it rock.
And there y'all have it. Gave the puppies a little mini bath. Because they're puppies, you don't really have to do much. Because they're still puppies. You know what I'm saying? But make sure you give your puppies a bath. It's very important. Because they walk around. Y'all here, babe? I know y'all here. Say it again, babe.
Make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up.
So, just wanted to come in and give y'all a quick little video and show y'all how we get puppies up there. They should be getting ready to go to sleep soon. They'll be back up, not sleep for the night, but because they just got a little bag, you know, they might be a little tired. Until the next video, we'll see y'all later. Hey, girl. Go, girl, go. Y'all see Coco playing. We left Scheme and Yeezy in the house. We just bought Coco. Come here, girl. Come here, mama. Come here. Y'all's here eating grass. Yep, she had to go to the bathrooms. Two birds fighting. They're cute, y'all. So Starbucks, we got a mango dragon fruit lemonade.
We got that grande strawberry acai lemonade.
Acai lemonade.
Don't mind me. I said aqua.
Y'all see the strawberries in there?
Mm.
From the dragon fruit.
Y'all see it.
Alright, y'all. We also got cake pops. This is a cookie and cream cake pop. And we got a birthday cake pop. So, let's see. Hold on, let me switch y'all out. Let me switch y'all out. Here, baby.
That's it.
Alright, chocolate.
Damn. I should have told you to get me one.
What the? That's yours.
Should have grabbed 2 of these.
This is a lot of chocolate, y'all. Man,
That right there, good.
Yeah, it's more. You want to try the chocolate one? It's chocolate. It's chocolate. But that's it. 1 out of 10. I give it an 8. I give it an 8, and I get this a 7.5. It would be good, but it's too chocolatey. See you on the side. Fire. 1 out of 10.
Mom Duke's in the building. You heard me. Hey.
One time for that one time.
Mom Duke's in the building. Mom Duke's in the building. Mom Duke's.
Oh my gosh, y'all, excuse that I'm missing an earring because somebody said she was going to give me a back piece to put my other earring in, and she...
Okay, wait a minute. Let's say this. It's not my fault that you don't have a back piece in your earring. Right.
You done? Are you done? Are you done? Is that it?
No.
The hair, get into it.
Hey.
Period. Get into it. Who you know? Get into the color though. Y'all don't know nobody. It's okay, they can't get that platinum like that. Show them on the side. Did you get your cut on the side again?
I did.
Let me see. It's on this side.
No, I ain't got no
Oh,
part.
she didn't get the cut this time, y'all, but it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, period. New hair, who this? New hair. Girl, you ain't got hair no more to whip. Why I keep holding it down here to see you and all they can see is my mouth?
I don't know what's that, because I might be shorter than you. Girl. If you stop trying to act like you tall and got them fucking, hey yo, she got these damn things on. She got them slippers on. Listen, y'all know damn well she ain't that short. I mean that tall.
Yo, did you put water in there? Whoa, there's a shower right there. Be careful. Do not put your hand through there. Do not do it. Pops, you want me to get him? You want me to get him? You put your hand in there anyway? Pops, you want me to get him?
No, I was gonna tell you. He got up.
Yeah, turned around.
I'm fixing to go on Linda.
Boy, his forehead big, just like Teeter's. Excuse me, cuz. Doodle. No, don't start reaching. No.